Hey everyone, my name is Sahil and in today's video, we will learn all about covered conductor accessories like this one. By the end of this video, you will get a brief overview on what covered conductor accessories are, their various types and the reason why distribution utilities like to use covered conductors and the accessories. But first, why should you listen to me talking about covered conductors? At Axis, we have been manufacturing and supplying various electrical hardware to utilities across the globe for more than 30 years. Our accessories are approved and used in 50 utilities in India, Africa and the rest of the world. So now let's get down to the basics. What exactly are covered conductors? Covered conductors are conductors wrapped in an insulating material. This wrapping helps prevent accidental contact with other conductors and objects, for example, tree branches. They are crucial in electrical distribution because they make power distribution and transmission lines more reliable. They help cut down power loss in utilities and they have a special coating that protects against water and sunlight. They also keep animals and people safe from electrical shocks and reduce power cuts. So, why should distribution utilities use covered conductor accessories? Firstly, DISCOMs are the companies responsible for distributing electricity to the consumers. In rural distribution networks, power lines often run alongside roads or through hilly areas. These locations are vulnerable due to bad weather conditions. For example, trees often fall onto bare conductor distribution lines in storm-prone locations. This causes the poles to collapse onto the ground and significantly increases the risk of fire and the risk of electrical injury to birds, animals and humans. Covered conductors are a key solution to this problem. They have an insulating layer around the conductor which stops the direct contact between the conductor and the ground. This layer also protects the conductor from wind, rain and snow, reducing the chance of earth falls and the risk of fire. It also acts as a barrier against moisture and UV rays, making the conductor itself last much longer. Plus, CCs lead to more reliable power distribution with fewer power cuts and problems, especially in areas with bad weather. This is the reason why a lot of DISCOMs have moved to CC conductors to make power distribution more reliable. Finally, let's look at some of the most commonly used accessories for covered conductors. Please note that the entire range of covered conductors accessories from reputed manufacturers should work between 11 kV and 33 kV and handle temperatures from -30 degrees Celsius to 75 degrees Celsius. Let's start with anchoring clamps. These clamps play a crucial role in holding the conductor in place and keeping the line tight. They're designed with special plastic wedges that grip the conductor firmly. There are also clamps like service and suspension clamps to ensure the conductor's insulation is not damaged. This helps the conductor last longer. These clamps use an anti-tracking insulation piercing connector which stops partial discharges and keeps radio signals clear. These clamps come ready to use, which makes the installation quicker and easier. The body of the clamp is made of corrosion-resistant aluminum alloy, while the wedges are made of UV stabilized engineered plastic. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos about electrical engineering. Now, let's move on to the plastic insulator ties. These ties are used for securely attaching the covered conductor to the insulator. They are manufactured from engineering plastic that is resistant to UV rays and extreme weather conditions. The installation process is straightforward and they offer a strong hold onto the insulators. Next, let's discuss the insulation piercing connector. These connectors are used to take tap connections or to continue or distribute the line. They are manufactured with a body made of UV stabilized engineering plastic, enabling them to sustain harsh environmental conditions. They also have complete waterproofing, which prevents any water ingress. Let's discuss pre-insulated junction sleeves. These sleeves are designed for connecting two cable ends. The outer layer of these sleeves is made from UV and weather-resistant engineering plastic, ensuring durability and resistance to environmental factors. The inner connection has a waterproof seal that prevents any water ingress. These sleeves are user-friendly, allowing for easy crimping with standard hexagonal dies, meaning there is no need for specialized tools. I hope you now have a clear idea of the types of covered conductors accessories and why they are essential for distribution utilities. At Axis, we are proud of our contribution to rural electrification projects in more than 50 distribution utilities across India, Africa and the globe. Axis products were critical to the success of government schemes like Saubhagya and currently during RDSS as well. playing a key role in enhancing electrical infrastructure for the poorest people in our society. Before you skip to the next video, remember, improper installation of these accessories can lead to serious issues like short circuits, fires, and even death. To avoid these risks, please watch our video on the installation of insulation piercing connectors. You can find the video right here. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on electrical engineering.